Hello everyone, this is Rob Silva. It's nice to see you all again. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'm gonna go over UI buttons and how to work with them and navigate through different scenes. I created already a video on UI buttons and this is just a little bit more complex, but stay with me. I mean, complex, but not too different from the previous video. But there are some things that you guys need to do in order to navigate through different scenes. I already created a video on triggers and how to use them to navigate through different scenes, which is my favorite thing to do. But depending on the project that you want to create, UI buttons might be more helpful. All right, cool. I already have a scene that I created here, very basic. This is a fully working project already. More videos on that. Please feel free to navigate through all the tutorials in the channel. All right, again, thanks for stopping by the workshop. Cool, let's dive in on this. All right, first thing that I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go to OVR physics. And I'm gonna open my OVR player controller, and actually here I'm gonna drag this script into OVR camera rig. I don't need to do anything in this script. Again, everything in how to create a fully VR working, there's tons of video there. Take advantage, a lot of resources. I will not cover that in this video. Cool, I have that there already. Now I'm gonna just start with helpers. Just gonna take here on helpers. I'm gonna add the UI helpers there. And I'm gonna go to laser pointer. I'm gonna check on line renderer. Let's see if there's anything here that we need to do. Nothing here for now. Any sphere. This is the tip of my Raycaster, and I want to make this a little bit smaller. Oh, right here, scale 0.01, 0.001, 0.001. This is a preference. I've seen some large spheres on the tip of the Raycaster. I'm not a big fan of that, so this is my Raycaster here. So you can see my spheres there on the tip of it. Some people make this really, really big, and I really don't like it. All right, cool. I have that, and I have my event system here. Cool. On my event system, I'm gonna go to joypads, click button, and I'm gonna click none here first and check everything, and I will go to let me see here, secondary index trigger. I'm gonna use my but one of the my second button in a controller to click. Let me see, everything's good here. Let me see. Excellent. Great. Nothing else I need to do here. Great. So let me just create a canvas now. Let's make this a little bigger. All right, create canvas. Right click on my hierarchy. UI. Canvas. So here I have my canvas. Canvas is huge, as you can see. Selecting my canvas, I will click on render mode and road space so I can I'll be able to edit my canvas, but first I need to add an event camera here. I will go back to my OVR controller, OVR rig, and center I anchor. I'm gonna drag it that one there. And I will just resize this way my canvas. And I will position the canvas as well. Click 2 times and see where the canvas is. Canvas is right there, pretty big still. I'll resize a little bit smaller right there. Cool. Not bad. Let me add the buttons very quick before inside and see what is the size of this canvas after adding the buttons. Selecting canvas, click with the right button, UI button right there. Let me see in my game. Yeah, the button's too tiny. I'm gonna make this button a little bit bigger. Let me rotate this right there. Cool. I'm gonna drag my canvas a little bit further right here and up a little bit. Let me see. That look good. Let me see. That sounds pretty decent. Select my buttons and I will change a few colors. Let me see, yellow, highlight color, blue, and select the color, let's see, purple, light purple, good. So sort of almost pinkish sort of. And I will also open button here on text. I'm gonna write scene 2. So when we click on this button, what we want to do, we are in a scene 1, we're gonna go to scene 2, and later we're gonna have a scene 2 and we're gonna come back to this scene 1. Cool. That's a plan. Just make this button a little bit up like that. Not bad. Excellent. All right, so let me see here. So I have button here. I have on click. We're gonna use this in a second, okay? So let me see here. Let me see. Let's find my script. I created a script. It's called Work Scenes. The script is right here, and I'm gonna copy this script and I'm gonna add this script on the YouTube below the description of the video. So just a little bit about this script here. So what we will do with this, I'm going to create 2 scenes, and when we click we're in a scene 1, when we click at this button here, it's going to pretty much add to the next scene. It's sort of, it's going to go forward plus 1 scene. And on a scene 2, when we click on a button on a scene 2, it will subtract, so minus 1 scene, which will get back to our previous scene. Okay, so it's going to add 1 scene and it will subtract to 1 scene. Cool. All right, so I'm on this scene right now, scene 1. Let me just save. And I'm gonna grab my script into the canvas. Okay, add the script there in the canvas. So here I have work scene. Okay, my script, and I'm gonna go to button. I'm gonna click on plus sign, and I'm gonna drag my canvas right here. And I'm gonna go to function, and I'm gonna go to work scene, which is my script, and I'm gonna put play. I'm gonna click on play game. So that's what's gonna happen. So on click, it's gonna play, and it's gonna go to the next scene. Okay, that's what's gonna happen. Cool. On canvas here, I needed to add a OVR Raycaster script as well. So let me just go here, OVR Raycaster, right here. I'm gonna get this OVR Raycaster, I'm gonna add this to canvas, okay? And pointer here, I need to go to my UI helper. Let me select this canvas. So I have the work scene, I have a OVR Raycaster that I just added, and I'm gonna go to laser pointer, and I'm gonna drag it into the pointer here, right there, my laser pointer. Perfect. All right, excellent. So now things are pretty nice here. It seems that everything's pretty organized, and I will go ahead right now and I'm gonna copy the scene. Scene one, and rename the scene here to scene 2, right there. I'm gonna open this scene 2, which is, you can see here, it's similar to scene 1. And I'm gonna just change the scenes a little bit so we can see. Let me just go to my assets, and I will make this floor actually red, this green, blue, and also copy and paste a few of them. Make some fluctuating like this. Not some different colors. Right there. Cool. A little bit different. So going back to my scene, this is my scene 1. This is my scene 2. Cool. All right, on a scene 2, I need to get back to my button. Okay. So you can see here, my button on a scene 1 is to play a game, is to come to the scene 2. Now I need to readjust this. So I need to go back here. I will go back to my work scene, and I will change to back. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and save it. So I'm gonna go back to my scene 1 again, to my button, to double check button. This is what it's gonna do. It's gonna play a game. It's gonna go to scene 2. Let's see the scene 2. Go to my button, and right there it's gonna go back. Cool. Let's see if there's one last thing to do here. Yeah, I need to go to file here as well. File, build settings. As you can see, I only have this scene 1 here. Let me just delete this. Scene 1. I need to add my scene 2 by just adding the scene that's open, or just dragging the scene into here, okay? All right, so now I have my 2 scenes. I also just need to change the text on this button here too, just to make sure that things are nice. So scene 2, I'm gonna put here scene 1, right there. Great. I can even change the color of the button to make it a little bit different. Cool, right there. All right, excellent. So everything is different, right? Scene 1 from scene 2. Right there. Cool. So let's play and let's see this working. All right, everyone. Now you can see it. Let's just try this out. I'm gonna scene 2 right now. My Raycaster is working very nicely here, as you can see. My buttons, let's see. This button needs a little bit of work here, but you can see they changed the color already. This is my scene 2. Just need to work a little bit more on selecting the button and changing colors. But you can see the Raycaster is working. Usually when I click, that's when the button changes the color, right there. And obviously gonna go to the next scene. So that's kind of pretty much. I really hope you enjoy it. Korea works, right? Thank you so much. Stop by anytime. Bye-bye.